Good morning, welcome to Blackpool Pleasure Beach for a wet day. Before we come for the penultimate week of the season, so next week is the final week and it's a very wet one, so we'll only come for a few hours, but most rides are on 5 minutes, so hopefully we'll be able to run around and get on everything. So first off, we're going to look at Ice Blast to see how we're getting on with it. So as you can see, the top of it's there, the Pleasure Beach. I'm not sure that you set Ice Blast on it. I'm not sure. And then we've got scaffolding all the way up to the top. So I believe what they've done, they've taken out the cylinders out of the middle, so they've gone off to be fixed. Hopefully, we're looking like it's be back. Hopefully, changed as well. There's rumours of a new seat going on there that tilts, but I don't know. So for scaffolding up at the Viking place. So you can't get around there now. So we'll go around the other side and have a look, see what's going on. But is this whole area getting a retheme? Maybe. And here's another look around the other side. So the seats are not back there yet. But yeah, some still work. Can't see anything else going on in the middle. And then there's the scaffolding for, is it Loki's bar? Some new signage up there. Ski bar, that's always been there. Yes, I don't know if that's getting a retheme or being changed. And Valhalla running in the rain. Perfect day to get onto Valhalla. There we go, so we start our day because we never know with the wind. It's a bit temperamental when it's windy, and it's getting windy now, so we'll get on Icon now and then we'll come back later on. I would say when it's warmed up, but I don't think it's going to warm up, is it?
Not today!
There we go, first ride of the day on Icon. 5 minute wait apparently. Let's have a look. There we go, that's what I want to see, no queue there. Ready to go on Icon? Huh? No. Well, he's back with us. So we just had a very wet ride on Icon. So it was about a 10-minute queue because we did start queuing for the front, didn't we, Willow? Yeah. And then we thought no. So it would have been about 5 minutes, but 10 minutes in total. I like it in the rain. It's good in Icon in the rain.
It hurts.
Yeah, they're only on one train, no Enzo, so that's what took a bit of a delay as well. Big one, as we know, probably won't be opening today due to the wind, which is a shame. I think we're going to head towards Revolution, because we haven't been on it, have we? We'll head over there now. we've just been on Revolution, the looping course that goes frontwards, then it goes backwards. So it's quite forceful today, raining, it's quite good. So we'll go head towards Orange Coaster, Nickelodeon Street, what we below, and then we'll have a look at what winter maintenance has already started, because it's sort of storm around here. So we have the Rugrats River Caves currently shut. Not sure if it's shut all day or they're just doing maintenance. Splash Bash, that's looks like it's closed for maintenance already. And then the Cuspy Crab Up, whatever it's called, they even took the Bangler up. Yeah, so just to note that this does shut an hour before closing, so it's Nickelodeon land, so it shuts an hour at 4 o'clock. So it's good to get on it before it actually shuts, and then a very rare site where there's no queue at all, which is quite good. So here we have where is it the Grand Prix? Yeah, the Grand Prix used to be. So it used to be like a turnaround. I don't know, like a upward helix thing, weren't it? So they've demolished all that. So it's quite a big space. And they've got the station there, and then they've got the platform up there. Yeah. So what is it going to be? Is it going to be a roller coaster? Is it going to be a flat ride? What do you think it's going to be, Willow? And there's avalanche stops. I'm guessing didn't make it all the way around to test. We'll have a look around the other side. Your favourite ride? Your favourite ride there's Claude's. The little swing that you have to pay an extra quid to go on.
No, that's not my favourite ride, thank you very much.
And little Billy Goats there.
Meh.
And then the potting shed. So it's not a big area. They won't do anything to this bridge because this bridge is new. So it can go under the bridge if it was like a coaster maybe. And there's a look of all the work that's been done there. The end of Grand Prix, as we know. So hopefully in winter we'll see some work go ahead. Coaster's restaurant is closed. Icon running one train. We can't go on Big Dipper, that's closed for winter maintenance already. So we'll head round to Infusion and see if that's open. Here we have the empty arcade, which hopefully in off season is going to be taken down, and hopefully we're going to get that ginormous gyro here. Hopefully. Looks like they're taking all the wiring out, so if they've done that, it's ready to be demolished, isn't it? And then across from it, we've still got the Seagull up there, and the river caves that are still shut. Apparently there's a leak, but we don't know yet. So hopefully we'll get that back again next year. That back, Ice Blast, and a new ride. Big one's still closed. even though there's less wind now than a lot of other times. So we're going to go on the ghost train, and I've never seen it before. Zero queue. So we may as well make use of zero queue and get on it now. So they fell in the water. Literally just had another walk on Alice in Wonderland Willow, didn't we? Beautiful smells in there. That's the other reason we go in there. Yeah, so rain stopped now, so it's actually nice. But because it's been raining, literally every single ride near enough has been walk on. So we've only been here about 2-3 hours. Been around everything already.
Yeah.
Well, whatever's open. Still no sign of big one. So let's do a walk on for Wallace and Gromit. Let's have a look at the Grand Prix. So you can see there that the tunnel, the track's gone. And it's all still there. So I reckon in off season they'll get rid of all this. We've got that space there. They've got the big dome that used to have the gravity wheel in it. So hopefully they could have something here really, couldn't they? Because they've got another bridge over there, haven't they? So you can get around that way. Yeah, so I think we'll have a couple more rides on Icon, walk on Grand National, and then head back. So yeah, we got a little bit wet in the morning. Well, we only got here at 11:30, 12, and we're done at 2:30.
My feet are covered. Might as well now.
Right, so Willow, you all punctured up, so what does that mean?
Valhalla.
Yeah, so we'll head towards Valhalla. So we're already wet anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Yeah, so we'll get on it and see what it's like. I think every time we've been on it this year, it seemed a bit dark and stuff weren't working. So we'll see what it's like today. And again, there's another look at Ice Blast there. Hopefully returning for the next year. And we'll head over to Valhalla now. So we've just been on Valhalla. It was very wet, weren't it?
No, I stay dry.
So we had pancho, so it was good. Then fire effects at the end, I don't know if they're new or not, but there's quite a lot.
Warm.
But yeah, we had a really good day today. Literally every single ride coaster was walk on. There's no big one. Avalanche started testing, but I don't know if it reopened, but it's what it's to be expected. It's cold. rainy, but it only rained for about an hour or 2 hours, and it's fine after that. So I hope you've enjoyed our walk around looking at the new rides that are potentially coming and the work they're doing, and we'll see you on the next adventure.